Hello everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. Hello everyone. These items are the things that we'll be using for today's project. I have these bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. I have 2 of them. I have this large bowl that I picked up from Goodwill, and it was $3.99. It is really a beautiful bowl and is very thick and heavy. The next thing I picked up was these candlesticks, and I also got them from Goodwill. And I want to say they were $3.99 each. Very, very pretty. And here again, I picked up this little dish. I guess it's like a container, but we'll be using that on today. And I also got that from Goodwill, and it was $4.99. So we're going to make some creations from these things. To help me along with this project, I'll be using some flower bling wrap in the gold. I'll be using my gold mirrors mosaic tiles, and I picked both these up from Amazon. I have here from Dollar Tree some bling wrap, and it is self-adhesive. I also have my chain bling that I got from Amazon, and I might be using some of that today. I have some gold half beads, and I'll be using a few of these on today. So we're going to start by cleaning our large glass bowl with this glass cleaner. And we'll also clean our little container or candy dish as well. And then we're going to take our Gorilla Glue and glue the 2 pieces together. Now we want to center the large bowl on top of the candy dish. Once we have it centered, we'll set it aside to dry. Now we're moving on to our candlesticks. We're going to remove the price tags from the bottom, and we're going to clean them with the glass cleaner as well as the bowls. Now that my candlesticks and my bowls have been wiped clean, now I'm ready to glue my bowls to the top of the candlesticks. I'm going to turn my bowls upside down and add the candle holders to the center of the bowl. When I'm done, I'm going to set them aside to dry. I'm back and the glue has dried, and now we're ready to embellish our bowl. So we're going to start out by taking my bling wrap, which I've already cut into strips, and we're going to attach it to the bottom of the bowl. I will be using my Gorilla Glue to do this. So I will be adding a dab of glue on each one of the little flowers because I want this to be more of a permanent hole. Now you guys can hear that I'm kind of whispering. My daughter is here visiting from Arizona. Her name is Miss Q, and she has her YouTube channel. But guys, I am so worn out, so I'm doing all of my work at night, and I'm kind of whispering to keep her and my husband from waking up. So I'm talking really, really low. Now that I have my floral bling attached to my bowl, I want to check to make sure that it's level. Now I think I want to add more bling to the top side of the bowl. So we'll take the same floral bling and go around the top edge of this bowl. Again, I'm checking to make sure that everything is level. It's looking really pretty, but you know me, we've got to dress it up just a little bit more. So we're going to take our lid. Now at the top of the lid, as you can see, there are these little grooves or little circles. We're going to dress those up with these half gold beads. We're going to put a gold bead in each one of the little circles. So what I'm doing is just putting a dab of my Gorilla Glue in each of the circles, and then I'll add my bead. Now with this bowl, you could do so many things. Now, you know the holidays are approaching us, and this will look great on any table. You could use it for Christmas cookies, candies, and I thought that it would make a cute little goldfish bowl. Now, isn't that pretty? So for the knob or the handle on the top, I'm going to take one floral bling and add to the top. And this is just to give it a little bit more oomph at the top. But we're not done. We're going to take it up yet another notch. Now on the bottom, the little candy dish, it also has those little circles. So we're going to do the same thing that we did on the lid. We're going to take those half pearls and we're going to put in the circles on the bottom of the candy jar. For all of you all that are watching, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and also make comments and share with your friends and family. I'm trying to grow my channel and I need your help. Now I have some smaller gold half pearls, and they are self-adhesive, and we're going to take those around the bottom of the candy jar. Even though it's self-adhesive, I decided to use my Gorilla Glue just to give it a stronger hold. Now here's my lid. It's just a little bit smaller than the jar. So what we're going to do is take my dollar store self-adhesive bling wrap, and I'm just going to go around the flat edge of my jar. And here we are. Isn't it pretty? But we're not done yet. We're going to embellish around the bottom of the bowl with that same dollar store bling wrap. The glue has dried on my candlesticks, and now we're ready to embellish them. They're actually beautiful just as they are, but you know we have to take it further. I have cut some strips of my floral bling, and we're going to glue it around the center of the candlesticks. As you guys can see, I'm not using the glue gun, and that's because sometimes hot glue can look cloudy, and since this is glass, I want everything to be crystal clear. Now I'm ready to take my Gorilla Glue and go around the top of the bowl so that I can add that same flower bling. For those of you who might want to try this at home, I will leave a list of everything that I can in the description box below. And now that I'm just about done here, I'm going to go right ahead and do the second candle. Now that that's done, I'm going to take my bling wrap, which I've cut into small strips, and I'm going to go around the bottom of the candlestick. And now we're just going to complete the second one. I decided to embellish around the curve of the glass, and I'm going to use my bling wrap to do this. Now it's looking very pretty, but we're not done. I'm going to flip my glass upside down and embellish a little further. And now that that's done, I see another area where I can add just another row of my bling wrap. And once again, I'll move on to my second candlestick. And now that my second candlestick is done, I'll be back with them all on display. And here is my beautiful bowl. Once again, with the holidays coming up, it would make a great centerpiece for your table. It could be used to house dessert, candies, cookies, and I even see this for some reason as being a fish tank. But it turned out absolutely lovely. And here it is with the lid on top. I hope this will inspire you all out there to use what you have at home and make something beautiful for your holiday table. OMG, here are my candlesticks. Simple but yet elegant and will be beautiful on any holiday table. I love the etched glass on this, so I didn't want to do a whole lot to take away from the bottom. Just embellish it just a little bit with the gold for my table setting. And here is all three pieces together. And you can use them separately, the bowl for one thing and the candlesticks for another, or again, all three. Very, very pretty. once again, I'm trying to grow my channel and I need your help. So if you're watching, make sure you share this video. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and share with your friends and family. I want to thank everyone for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.